Subscribe now for more beauty tips. Trend 1, skin-friendly wax formulations. Trend 2, creative wax designs. Minty fresh designs for a cool look. Trend 3, at-home waxing kits. Trend 4, hybrid waxing techniques. Trend 5, luxury spa experiences. Which trend will you try in 2024? Like, comment and subscribe for more beauty content. Trend 6, eco-friendly waxing options. Gap 3S, sustainable and effective waxing solutions for the environmentally conscious. Imagine achieving silky smooth skin while making a positive impact on the planet. From biodegradable strips to organic wax formulations, these eco-friendly options are perfect for those who care about their beauty routine and the environment. Dive into the world of green beauty and discover a waxing experience that's as kind to your skin as it is to Mother Earth.